holiday gift guide, which is a tickled pet assortment that I should have a video unboxing of up today or tomorrow. Tremendous treats, and all for dogs of all sizes. So my big girl American Bulldog, who's huge, Delilah, loves them, and so do my tiny Maltese Sassy and my medium-sized Westie Zoe. All love them, and you can see more on Instagram, and there'll be more on the blog soon. I think there may even be a giveaway. They are tremendous dog treats, healthy, made in the USA. I think they're all like one ingredient. There's things like potato skins, sweet potato skins, and there's 100% pizzle, beef pizzle, one ingredient, bully sticks, which my American Bulldog is going to town on now. My Westie just went nuts on, and it tired my Maltese out so that she's sleeping here by my feet. So if you hear those noises, no, it's not me or someone in my family, a human member of my family, noisily chewing. It's my Bulldog, just so you know that. But I'm here with a Faber Castell pottery studio, and I also have a Faber Castell refill. I think I've already showed you the art desk, but we're really happy about this. This is going to be a giveaway, so it's one of you lucky viewers or blog readers are going to be able to win your own pottery studio here and your refill. So let's take a look at it and what's inside. Okay, so inside the pottery studio we have our pottery wheel here, and this has a foot pedal. Let me just pull it out of this plastic. Okay, so right on top it gives you the history of pottery, and this is a Do Art set from Faber Castell, and that's the same as our easel that we're having a giveaway of right now. So if you haven't entered that, go ahead and enter that as well. The first pottery wheels were invented more than 6,000 years ago, so it gives them a history, gives kids a history, tells them some of the terms like pottery wheel, throwing, wedging, centering, opening, foot, lip, trimming tool. And then it tells us what we have in this kit. So we have a battery operated, needs 4 C-cell batteries, not included. There's a tool holder, there's a foot pedal, there's the tools, there's the apron, there's translucent glaze paint and white base coat paint, 2 paintbrushes, a table cover, 3 pounds of clay, an instruction booklet, and then we have the apron for sculpting, tools, rolling cutter, rolling pin, trimming cord with handles, and a sponge. Didn't realize this needs 4 C-cells. I might not be able to do a demo right now, but I'll do the unboxing and get the giveaway going, and then I can come back with a demo. So you put the batteries in on the bottom. The paints included is a specially formulated non-toxic acrylic paint that dries permanently on most surfaces, so be careful. Okay, and then teaches them how to make coil pots. That's fun. I always liked, that's like my first pot that I made in first grade. I always loved when we did, the clay. I always loved when we worked with clay in school. I mean, I really did. I looked forward to it. I still had some of the things I made. I don't know if I have them upstairs since, my parents sold that house. I'm not sure, but I mean, I loved the things I made in clay. I loved clay. I made a coil pot once, and I remember the glaze I used on it was like a chocolate chip. It reminded me of a chocolate chip mince ice cream because it had little speckles in it, and it was just really pretty. And it wasn't a bright green, but it was this kind of like green tea ice cream green. I wish I had that pot. Maybe I do somewhere, hopefully. I don't know. But yeah, and then my first one probably looked something like that. And I remember I think somebody else glazed it because they thought it was theirs. They couldn't find mine. Then I made a snowman once with like a little plaque in the back. And then I made this little dog. You know, I liked working with clay. I love working with clay. So there's different ways that they're showing them how they can use the clay. They can make ornaments. They can do other things and how to, you know, use the tools. So insert the tool rest into the machine. Really shows them techniques that, you know, they could develop if that's something they like to do. And then here we have the pottery wheel. Back here we have, it looks like for an adapter, or is that for the foot pedal? I don't know. I wish that it would be also electric, 'cause then so it has non-skid feet, so that's nice. Let's see what we have in this box. Where's my scissor? Oh, here it is. Good. Bulldog's like looking over here like I'm opening my treats. We have paint. We have our table cover, sponge and 2 paintbrushes, and then we have that white base coat paint, and then we have another box. I think this is our clay because it's very, very heavy. So let me just open this, and then like I said, I used to always want the clay they had in school, that gray clay, you know. I was like, where did they get it? Now, that was prior to the internet. Now you can get anything you want. But there's 3 pounds of this, and then we have a refill kit here that contains 2 pounds of air dry clay. So this is air dry clay. You don't have to put it in a kiln. And there's 3 pounds included, and then we have a refill for 2 pounds, so you get 5 pounds, so your kids can make a lot of projects. Let's see, we have one more box. Okay, that little, what I thought maybe was an adapter, no, that's for the foot pedal. So that's nice that they have control with the foot pedal. So here's your foot pedal and adapter. Put that down there. And then you've got these nice tools to work with the clay. And we have this little doohickey. And these, that's that string. It's almost like a floss for when you're making something on the pottery wheel. And the little doohickey here is the tool holder, and it goes into the pottery wheel. Let me see. It has it, let's see here. I guess in either one, it goes like that in there. Okay, and it'll hold tools for you. Now, did I see the apron? It's supposed to be an apron. It may be in here. It may be white. So it looks like there's 2 things in here. So yeah, I think they're showing the apron as yellow, but I think the apron may be white and is in here. Pounds of clay. And our tools here, our foot pedal, okay, our instructions, and yes, I think that is everything there. So it teaches them, you know, everything from making a pinch pot, to making a coil pot, to creating an ornament, to how to use the pottery wheels, how to make hand-sculpted clay beads, and then how to use this pottery wheel, form into a cylinder or bowl, depending on how tall you are. That's my dog eating now beneath my feet. Centering the clay on the wheel, and then painting with the pottery wheel, so it teaches them techniques that they can paint while they spin. Very neat stuff. I know my kids are going to go flipping out over this, and I'm glad that there's so many different components. So if one's using the wheel, maybe one can be making a pinch pot or whatever. And then we also have the refill of the clay. So let me know what you think, guys. I'm going to get this giveaway up. I want to get this up on my blog, and then I will come back and get some batteries in here and show you more about this. But okay, guys, so I have messy hands, and I am going to just take a little water and we'll try this now. So let's see. I don't think it's going to be like the ghost scene. Okay guys, you can see it takes practice, it's a work in progress, but it's really fun to experiment with, and I'm sure your kids will have a blast as well as you too. We have this as a giveaway. It is live now, so you can go to enter and try to win your own pottery studio from Faber Castell, and it's on our holiday gift guide. Let me know what you think, and thank you so much for watching. Bye now.